Hello everyone. Welcome back to Over Channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the super easy process of transferring files from one PC to another using Google Drive. Whether you have just one file or a bunch of them, this method will work seamlessly. So, let's dive right into it. Step 1. Browser and accessing Google Drive. The first step is to open your preferred browser. I'll be using Google Chrome. But feel free to use any browser you like. Now, type in Google Drive in the search bar or simply enter Drive to find Google Drive. Click on the search result or go directly to drive.google.com. When it will open, then from here click on Go to Drive. It will take you to Google Drive. Step 2. Uploading files to Google Drive. Once you're in Google Drive, make sure you're signed in with the Google account you want to use for the file transfer. Now, go to the top left, click on New, and select New Folder. And give it a name that you'll easily remember. New folder is an optional. If you have an existing folder, then you don't need to make a new folder. I'll name it Test Transfer. And click on Create. Step 3. Selecting and uploading files. Open the newly created folder. Go to the top left again, click New, and select File Upload. Choose the files you want to transfer. You can either click and drag to select multiple files or hold down Ctrl to individually select them. Click Open, and you'll see the files uploading in the bottom right. The speed may vary based on your internet connection. Step 4. Accessing files on the other PC. Now, close Google Drive on the current computer and head to the other PC. Open your browser, go to a search engine, and search for Drive. Click on Drive in the search results, then click Go to Drive. Here's a crucial thing. Make sure you log in with the same Google account that you used on the first PC. Click on the profile icon in the top right, and if needed, add the Google account associated with the files you uploaded. Step 5. Accessing and downloading files. Now, again open Google Drive. Once you're in, find the folder you created earlier. In my case, it's PC Transfer. Click on it, and there are your transferred files. To download individual files, right-click on them, select Download, and confirm. Alternatively, to download the entire folder, go back and click on the folder name, then click Download. One thing I've forgotten to tell you is if you want to transfer the whole folder in the Google Drive, then also click on New. And under File Upload, you will find Folder Upload. Click on it, and as you can see, new window will open. You can browse in an upload folder from here. Now you have learned how to transfer files from PC to PC. If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. If have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section. Goodbye.